Hello everyone. Today we are looking at an Accenture question. So it says, in a magical forest, each animal has a unique identifier. Some animals have decided to form pairs based on their IDs. Your task is to find all unique pairs of animal IDs that can be formed. For example, if the IDs are 1, 2, and 3, okay, then the unique pairs will be 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and 2 and 3. Okay. So the unique means no same elements will be allowed. Therefore, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 2 and 3. Okay. So, how to solve this problem? Let's say this is the array. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. What we are going to do is we put an I pointer here and j here. Okay. Two pointer approach. Now, let's say uh, we will always place j to the next of I. Okay, so these I and j elements are forming one pair. Therefore 1 and 2 will be one pair. Okay, now we move j to the next element j. They are different elements, therefore 1 and 3 will be one pair. Okay, now I moves here, and as j is always next to I, therefore j again comes here, not 2 and 3. Okay, now j is ended. Now, if I becomes here, therefore there is no next element for j to be present. Therefore, we will keep the I loop and up to n minus one, and that means up to the length minus one. Okay. Therefore, these are all the unique pairs that are in the array or the list. Okay. So to solve this problem, let's code. Let's take input of the array IDs. IDs equal to list map int input dot split. Okay, now we're going to directly print unique pairs. Okay, now let's write the function here, def unique pairs, and take IDs as the parameter. Now let's take and list. This is how initialize a list in Python. Okay, now what we're going to do is for I in range to len IDs minus 1, as we are iterating only up till this point. I was length minus 1, I was there only for these two items, length minus 1 items. Now for j in range I plus 1, j will always start from next to I. That means if I was here, j will start from I plus 1. Okay, range comma len IDS. Okay, j was running throughout the loop. Okay, now what we're going to do is mm, pairs dot append IDS I comma IDS j. Okay, see, I have given two brackets. This is for this parenthesis is for the append function, and for mm, showing that we are appending two elements to a list, we are giving another bracket. Okay, now after all the loops, we are going to return the pair. Okay, so let's run it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and this should give the output 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. So if you are confused about this append method, uh, okay, suppose This is pairs. This is a 1D array. Now, if I append 1 comma 2 as an tuple, okay, this will come as this. The append function is what it is doing is it is appending a pair of elements like this 1 2 1 3 and 2 3 to the end of the list. This way this is happening. Okay, I hope you understand the question. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.